A Cross Finance is a one-stop liquidity pool platform where you can yield the farm on and swap the assets from many blockchain networks. The users are the leveraged from the growth of the Cross Finance. And in this video I will tell you that how you can purchase the token directly from the pre-sale, because at this time the pre-sale is ongoing and you have about 12 days left for it.
Feel uninvited.
Here you can see the entire platform of the Cross Finance, and on the upper right hand side you can see a option of the join pre-sale. Now I will tell you about the key features, but first of all the basic thing about the Cross Finance. Basically the Cross Finance assembles the DeFi debris into one. One of the problems of the DeFi is that it is fragmented by high traction DeFi dApps standing separately in different blockchains. Cross Finance solution is to connect all the chains and allow the users to swap and yield the farm on native and synthetic assets. With Cross Finance you can trade, harvest without any borders. Here you can see the entire team of the Cross Finance. Now I will tell you the main part, that how you can purchase the token directly from the pre-sale. First of all, you can see on the upper right hand side, but before that you must have to join them on all the social media, and also you can read the entire blog of the Cross Finance DeFi, where the team basically told you each and everything, that how you can purchase the token simply with your Trust wallet. So it is entirely very easy to buy the token directly from your Trust wallet. Now the main key features, or you can say the main mission of the Cross Finance, is to give the cross-chain solutions, interchain swapping marketplace, multi-chain yield farming, liquidity backing stablecoin, and the gasless and reasonable trading fee DAO governed. Here you can see the main part. At this time the price of about 7.7 CRP in the second round, because right now the second round is ongoing and it will end in next 13 days. So when the video will be live at that time, about I think it will be about 12 days. So here you can see 1 USDT is equal to 7.7 CRP token at this time. And very soon in the last round, here you can see pre-sale CRP token. At this time 13 days 14 hours are left, and here you can see the white paper. So first of all, if you want to buy the token, simply go to the main platform, the website, and then on the upper right hand side you will see the option of the pre-sale. Simply click on that and then you can purchase the token directly from the main website. And at this time you will get some good bonus, and already the people who bought the token in the round 1, they already get some more tokens. So at this time 1 USDT is equal to 7.7 CRP token, the Cross Finance token. And here you can see the entire white paper. Now what is in white paper? Now I will tell you something about this one. So the entire mission and also the vision of the team is to link all the blockchains, creating a transparent decentralized finance platforms, no intermediaries and no borders. Now it's the time about the price prediction. As per my own price prediction, the token will reach up to $5 in near future. So it's your time to join the pre-sale. You can purchase the token directly from your Trust wallet. So it's your time to grab the opportunity. Thanks a lot.